getting ready now to adjust my little model railroad, and my cat is of course getting ready to help me out. Sorry for all the mess, but I didn't want to, clean it all up because I'm going to make a real mess now. Yeah, so this is the current status, and here I'll put one straight track to see how much space do I have. And turns out that if I would to move this a bit over there, that it should actually all fit here. So I'm going to do this instead of adding one more board, because if it stays this dimension, then we can very easily put it somewhere when we don't want to have it laying in the open. So that's easier. And I'm also going to start with one more thing, because sweet cat of mine can open the boxes, and if you can tell, there was a cat disaster, a catastrophe if you want to call it. And yeah, I mean, the church has been destroyed. Pure catastrophe. What else can I say? So I will have to redo them. Everything is just... Oh no, the train station as well. Well, the train station I was planning to redo, but... Oh, it's sad. Oh well. It is what it is. Let's start. I'm first going to tear it down, then prolong it so that it gets... so that I put the two extras here. I may even try to cut one down and then do it, but we'll see. Yeah, but I have to take down the trees anyway.